Who needs clip art? The best icons and symbols are already in your fonts. Wingdings and Zapf Dingbats may feel dated, but there are some gems in there. For a modern reinterpretation of Zapf Dingbats, try Adobe Pi. On Google Fonts, you'll also find Noto Sans Symbols. You can incorporate an icon as a bullet character. Need a flourish or divider? Look for ornaments in fonts like Adobe Caslon or Minion. Here I'm using Tribute. Or maybe you need graphics for an invite, or want to add a decorative frame, or make a repeating pattern in Illustrator. Unlike place graphics, these icons scale with type, inherit text color, and print crisply at any size. That said, there may come a time when you need more flexibility in scaling and positioning these icons. If so, you can always convert them to outlines. There's a wealth of picture and icon fonts out there, and don't forget emojis. Many of them readily available on Adobe Fonts or Google Fonts. So before you go hunting for stock art, take a closer look at your fonts. You may already have the perfect icon hiding in plain sight.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.